UAB This Week, check out UAB's Facebook page to watch live streams of all of the commencement ceremonies. Your answers to an online survey can help UAB promote regional economic development. Make sure you give your feedback as part of UAB's application for the Innovation and Economic Prosperity Universities designation. A UAB immunology leader is speaking at Unite to Cure, a conference at the Vatican.
Scientists are coming together to tell non-scientists about the work that we're doing and the important questions that we're asking and how we can use these, what we've learned to treat disease.
UAB's campus is now friendlier to pollinators. President Ray Watts joined in on the planting. The UAB Sustainability Investment Fund made the project possible. To learn more about all these stories, go to uab.edu/news.